sit in a way that is comfortable for you to ground. Sit bones on the floor, back straight. Close your eyes, and then taking a deep breath in into your diaphragm and slowly blowing it out as you imagine all of the negativity of your day leaving your body with every exhale. Breathe in again, breathing in deep, deep into your diaphragm, and then release. And one last time. Deep breath in as you're becoming one with where you are sitting right now. Your mind is clearing of all thought, and you are becoming present in the moment. And release. Using your imagination, I invite you to go to a place where you feel safe, a place that inspires you, and where you feel connected. It could be a cabin in the woods. It could be sitting beneath a beautiful tree, experiencing nature. It could be lying on a beach with the sun warming your skin and every nerve in your body. It could be your comfy spot in your own home. But as you visualize this place in your mind's eye, take in a deep breath and slowly breathe it out. While staying in your sacred place, I'd like you to imagine tree roots growing from the bottom of your spine. They are growing down through the ground, finding its way out to the earth, slowly pushing their way through all the layers of earth, the layers of rock, and slowly winding and finding their way to the core of the earth. This is Gaia, Mother Earth. And as you reach the core of the earth, these roots attach themselves, entangle and intertwine their way around Gaia so that they are completely attached and grounded to Mother Earth. Now gently feel the Mother Earth energy move up through the roots, finding its way back up through the earth, through the soil, through the layers of rock, finally arriving back at your body. As the Mother Earth energy goes up through your tailbone and finds its way up through your spine and into your body, it makes its way to your heart and fills your heart with grounding love. Slowly breathe in that energy. Imagine the energy pooling in your heart and then radiating out into every pore of your body. You can feel your heart opening and expanding as you are preparing to receive while knowing that you are completely safe and that whatever you are imagining and whatever you feel is absolutely perfect. Imagine now that there is an opening just above the top of your head. This is your crown chakra, and a beautiful golden light is pouring into your body, down from way up in the sky, from the universe. This is the universal light, the all-knowing, all-loving presence. This beautiful golden light brings you healing energy, loving energy, and acceptance that you are enough. You are beautifully perfect, exactly the way you are. Breathe this energy into your body as you feel it travel down through your head, down the back of your neck, down your spine, and into your heart. Meeting with the Mother Earth energy, you are now grounded to Mother Earth and connected to the universal source energy. Allow yourself to sit in this place, this sacred place that you have created for yourself, this place of peace, relaxation, and unconditional love. The quietness, the stillness, it's beautiful. Know that if your mind wanders back to the day's events, that is perfectly normal. Just observe the thoughts and bring your attention back to your sacred place, knowing that there is no way to do this wrong. Allow yourself to know that you are a perfect soul, having an incredible human experience, and that you are now filled with unconditional love and acceptance, that whatever your experiences are, they are exactly what you should be experiencing, and that you are doing nothing wrong. I invite you now to speak within your own mind your I am statement. I am love. I am living a life of total and complete abundance. I am healthy. I am worthy. I am enough. Repeating it, believing it, and allowing it to stir within your body with the energies that you have just received. And when you are feeling you are done, sit in the silence of your sacred place, until I indicate that it is time for you to come back. I'm going to invite you to come back now. But before I do, I want you to realize that this sacred place, this place of peace and tranquility, this place filled with love and acceptance, that you are enough, is a place that you have created for yourself. It is a place that will always be available to you, somewhere you can come back to whenever you need. I ask that you slowly now begin to return back to the room, feeling the sensation in your feet and in your legs, beginning to wiggle your fingers as your eyes begin to flutter. You become more aware of your breath and the people sitting around you, and you open your eyes, feeling relaxed, at peace, and refreshed. Namaste.